Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P145C, relates to an issue within the evaporative emission control system, specifically indicating a malfunction concerning the system's purge flow. This problem often arises in the Honda Accord models produced between 2008 and 2012. The evaporative emission system is designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere from the fuel tank. The malfunction described by this code could be linked to various components within the system, notably the EVAP canister purge valve. Understanding the specific functioning features of these components is essential for effective troubleshooting. The purge flow system operates by allowing fuel vapors to enter the engine's intake manifold, thus contributing to proper combustion and emissions control. Addressing this issue involves following systematic troubleshooting steps to ensure the performance of the EVAP system is restored. The DTC P145C pertains specifically to a malfunction within the evaporative emissions control system. The primary affected component is the EVAP canister purge valve, which plays a critical role in regulating the flow of fuel vapors from the EVAP canister to the engine intake. Located typically within the engine bay, this valve is electrically operated and only opens under specific conditions, allowing vapors to be combusted during engine operation. An effective purge flow is crucial for maintaining low emissions during vehicle operation. If there is a failure in this valve or its associated components, it will result in improper purge flow, thus triggering the P145C code. The valve functions alongside other elements such as the EVAP canister, which stores vapors from the fuel tank, making it essential for the entire system to operate optimally. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P145C. A poor electrical connection at the EVAP canister purge valve can prevent it from operating correctly, thereby resulting in malfunction. Thorough inspection of the connections for corrosion or looseness can reveal underlying issues. Another possible cause is a blockage within the EVAP canister purge line, preventing vapors from traveling correctly from the EVAP canister to the engine. Physical obstructions can arise from debris or even a collapsed hose. Additionally, if the EVAP canister purge valve itself is damaged or stuck closed, it will be unable to regulate the vapors properly, rendering the whole system ineffective. Understanding these possible malfunctions allows for targeted diagnostics and repairs. When DTC P145C is present, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's performance. One of the most immediate indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. This light serves as a warning that the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has identified an issue. Additionally, drivers may notice a decrease in fuel economy, as the vehicle may compensate for the malfunctioning evaporative emission system. In cases where the emission system is monitored through official inspections, the vehicle may fail emissions testing due to the presence of this DTC. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for diagnosing the issue and proactively addressing performance impacts. The first troubleshooting step when addressing DTC P145C involves recording all freeze data and reviewing any onboard snapshot available. Freeze data captures the vehicle's operating conditions at the time the DTC was triggered, including variables such as engine temperature, vehicle speed, and battery voltage. This information provides valuable context that can guide the technician in narrowing down potential causes of the malfunction. The onboard snapshot may also detail parameters like sensor outputs, which can help in identifying whether it is a false alarm or an actual system failure. It is crucial to ensure all data recorded is meticulously logged to assist in further steps of the troubleshooting process. This foundational step sets the stage for effective diagnosis and repair. Before proceeding further with DTC P145C, it is essential to check for the presence of DTC P145C or P14597. If P145C appears alone, focus on diagnosing these related codes as they pertain to the same evaporative emissions functions. By utilizing the freeze data collected during the initial step, diagnostics can be made more accurate. Both DTCs share similar causes, which might provide insight into the root of the issue at hand. Ignoring these codes could lead to misdiagnosis or ineffective repairs, so investigating these DTCs first is critical. Addressing any identified issues from these codes will enhance the overall analysis of the P145C malfunction. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P145C involves inspecting all connections related to the EVAP canister purge system. Focus particularly on the connections to the EVAP canister purge valve, as these are critical in ensuring proper operation. Carefully examine for any signs of corrosion, wear, or damage which may impede electrical conductivity or vapor flow. Loose connections can lead to intermittent failures, making it imperative to tighten or repair these as necessary. Ensuring that the connections are secure increases the likelihood of proper valve operation, thus aiding in resolving the DTC issue. Maintaining clean and effective connections is essential for the EVAP system to function as designed, minimizing emissions and ensuring compliance with environmental standards. The fourth step in the troubleshooting process for DTC P145C is to inspect the EVAP canister purge line for any blockages or damages that may disrupt vapor flow. This involves physically examining the line that connects the EVAP canister purge valve to the EVAP canister. Look for signs of kinks, cracks, or other damages that may restrict the flow of vapors, compromising the efficacy of the entire emissions system. If a blockage is detected, such as dirt or a foreign object, it should be carefully removed to restore normal function. Addressing any integrity issues with the purge line is critical for ensuring that the vapor purging process occurs smoothly. This step is vital for maintaining a properly functioning evaporative emission system. The final troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P145C is to test the operation of the EVAP canister purge valve itself. Utilizing a multimeter, measure the electrical resistance of the valve to ensure it is functioning correctly. If the valve is determined to be stuck closed or otherwise inoperable, it will require replacement. This valve is critical to the regulatory standards of the EVAP system and can directly affect vehicle emissions. Performing a functional test ensures that the valve opens and closes appropriately during engine operation. Proper maintenance or replacement of this valve is essential for the system's overall performance and reliability, helping to mitigate any emissions issues. After completing the necessary repairs prompted by the troubleshooting for DTC P145C, it is imperative to perform a final repair verification. Start by clearing any stored DTC codes from the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to reset the monitoring processes. Once cleared, conduct a test drive to ensure that the vehicle operates smoothly and that the previously illuminated check engine light does not reappear. During the test drive, observe the vehicle's performance, focusing on aspects related to fuel economy and response. Monitoring the vehicle after repairs ensures all systems are functioning within the expected parameters. This step is essential to confirm that the corrective measures taken have effectively addressed the DTC and that the vehicle is now fully operational. Preventive maintenance for the EVAP system is essential to avoid future issues like DTC P145C. Regular inspections of the EVAP components, such as the canister, purge valve, and hoses, help ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Look for any signs of wear or deterioration, as these can be early indicators of potential failures. Keeping the purge lines free of debris and other obstructions improves the overall functionality of the system and helps in maintaining optimal engine performance. Routine maintenance checks can save significant costs in the future by detecting issues before they escalate into full system failures. By adhering to a regular maintenance routine, you can help prolong the life of the EVAP system and maintain vehicle compliance with emission standards. In summary, addressing DTC P145C requires a thorough understanding of the evaporative emission control system's components and functions. The EVAP canister purge valve plays a pivotal role in regulating fuel vapor flow, and its malfunction can lead to increased emissions and potential failures during vehicle inspections. A systematic approach to troubleshooting, starting with freeze data and ensuring proper electrical connections, is essential for successful diagnosis. Each step should be meticulously executed to accurately determine the root cause of the issue. Prevention through regular maintenance not only aids in avoiding issues like DTC P145C, but also contributes to overall engine performance and emissions compliance. Keeping the vehicle's emission systems in check is crucial for compliance with environmental standards and for the longevity of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.